Good morning students, welcome back to Triveni Memorial Senior Secondary School online classes. Student, in the last class we started with one of our chapter, that is human environment interactions and the tropical and the subtropical regions. And in that video we covered the topic life in the Amazon basin. If you have not seen that video yet, just go to the video and see it, and thereafter you can view this video and come to the next topic of the chapter, that is life in the Ganga-Brahmaputra basin. So let's talk about this topic. If we talk about life in the Ganga-Brahmaputra basin, what we are going to study about it, let's just have a look about the particular topic. You can see here we are going to study that firstly this area is formed by the Ganga and Brahmaputra tributaries. There about the life, where it lies, about its location. It lies in the subtropical region. About the various rivers that are present here, especially the Ganga and its tributaries. About the tributaries of Brahmaputra, about its features, about the climate, varied topography, population distribution, and many more topics. So let's have a detailed discussion about all of them. So first of all, let's move towards that about its location lies in subtropical region. So if we talk about its location, what we observe, you can see here very clearly that what we observe that it lies between 10 degree north and 30 degree north latitudes. Now let's talk about the tributaries of Ganga, because the topic itself is Ganga-Brahmaputra basin, so we must be known about the tributaries. Tributaries means the small river channels that are joining the main river, branches only, you can say in one form. So if we talk about the tributaries of Ganga, what do we observe? The tributaries of Ganga are Bhagra, Son, Chamba, Gantak and Kosi. The next is the tributaries of Brahmaputra. So let's talk about the tributaries of Brahmaputra. If we talk about the tributaries of Brahmaputra, these are Dibang, Lohit, Manas, Sivanch, etc. Then let's talk about the features of Ganga-Brahmaputra basin. And if we talk about the features of Ganga-Brahmaputra basin, you can clearly see what we can observe. These are the plains of Ganga and Brahmaputra, as the name itself is suggesting, mountains and foothills of the Himalayas. This is the region where these are found. Sundarban Delta is found here, Oxbow lakes, Dor plain areas can be easily observed here. Now if we talk about the climate of Ganga-Brahmaputra basin, just let's have a look what we observed in that. In case of climate, we observe that monsoon type of climate is present here, that is, and hot summers and cool winters are easily observed here or can be seen here. And if we talk about monsoon, then in case of monsoon also, what we observe, you can clearly see, monsoon means a particular time period when it's rain throughout the year. That particular time period is from mid-June to mid-September. This is the time period when it's rain during this season. Now let's move to our next topic. Valley topography is there. All sort of plants, tall height, small height, medium height can be easily observed here. Now let's move to the next topic, that is population distribution. And if we talk about population distribution, what we observe, that as it is mountain areas, all sort of comforts, luxuries are not found there, that is less population is observed in these areas. And some areas where all sort of luxuries, because this is Ganga-Brahmaputra plain, nearby water bodies are there and agriculture fertile land is present. So those are the areas which are densely populated regions. Now let's talk about the main occupation of the people present here. The main occupation of the people is agriculture. So what are the main crops grown by these people? These are paddy, wheat, maize, millets, and even cash crops. Cash crops are also grown by people. Now what are cash crops? Cash crops are those crops which are sold by the people in the market in order to gain some money, like sugarcane, jute, banana, tea, silk, etc. And crops grown on terraces can also be seen here, because obviously this is mountain or hateful bamboo groves are also seen here, mangrove forests are also seen here. In which areas these are found? In Uttaranchal, in Sikkim and in other regions as well. Now let's move to our next topic, and that is regarding wildlife found in these areas. And if we talk about the wildlife, you can see here fishes like rohu, like katla, hilsa, animals like tiger, deer, monkeys. These are very much common here. And development slowly and steadily is also taking place in these areas. Now we can see that transport, like in case of deserts, camel are replaced by trucks. Here also roads are getting building, and the transport modernization development is coming day by day. And last one is tourism and important activity. Recently also you have seen our Prime Minister Narendra Modi also visited to Varanasi. So you seen that scenario, very good scenic beauty related to these particular areas, that is your Ganga Brahmaputra basin. So from tourism point of view also it's a great place. So with this we end our chapter, and I hope you enjoyed the topic very well. Like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.